Chinese lettuce. I just put it in the same bowl with mincemeat. And next, this is called chive, but it's a bit different from the normal chive, I think. I bought it in a Chinese shop. So some ingredients for today needed to go to Chinese shop. This is called frozen gyoza wrappers. We can also make it ourselves, but it takes time and effort. So today I just bought it. So I'm going to chop the chive. So again, I put it in the same bowl. So now it's done. Leek is also chopped in small pieces. So I put in the same bowl. So now a lot of vegetable, and you think it's a lot of vegetable, but it's going to shrink. I'm going to add some flavor. So the salt, I put half teaspoons of salt. So 1 large spoon of soy sauce. And 1, 2, 3, 4 large spoon of sesame oil. Mix well when it's ready to wrap. I bought this one from Chinese restaurant, Chinese shop. This particular one has 50 of them, and all this size, not so big, quite small. Cup of just water and plate. If you put too much, it's more difficult. So take just 1 small spoon, and then first stick this like this, and then make tuck. Like this. It doesn't unfold. Easy. And then tuck. This is so small dumpling, and I usually cook like 30 of it, and then we are only 3 people in the family, and I think that's quite enough for us. But this wrap has 50, so maybe you can eat it to the lunch tomorrow too. Do it that the edge of the wrapper and then stick to fold everything like this and tuck so it doesn't open when you are cooking. I'm going to make a sauce. Three spoons of soy sauce and 3 spoons of rice wine vinegar. So now it's brown. So now it's time. So I boil the hot water, and now I'm pouring. And I turn the heat like medium to low. And I wait like 3 to 5 minutes. It takes a little while, so I wait. So now it's about time to finish. So I just so now the second one. Then pour that 1/3 of hot water. All of them together. So when you eat like this. Just separate with your chopstick or fork. Just separate gently, so that so this pastry doesn't break. I want to evaporate the water, but not the soup. I can see the soup inside moving so gently. And now it's done. So we just repeat, but I prefer baking it after I finish this